Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about how to use average if and average ifs. First, what is average? Average means total numbers divided by count. For example, two numbers are here, so I just add it. Divided by number of count 2. So 15. This is simple average. Same way we can able to generate here also average. When the requirement is average with criteria, then we go for average if. Here also we can able to give average function, but we have to give select manually, then only it gives proper result. 2020 just give average, give range. For 2020 it gives result. Average if function is used for one criteria with range, so automatically it gives result. Even if you select huge range, then it selects only the specified criteria, then it gives result. Whereas if we apply only average, we have to select manually. So this is the main advantage for using formula. Here if we want only 2019, just select, we will get the result. Here also we can able to give criteria. Based on criteria it generates average. If it is a multiple criteria, then we go for average ifs. Here we want criteria year as well as brand name. So how to write formula for 2019 average if? For that, just type average if, bracket open. First we need to give range. Full range you can give, freeze, then which year or which field you want, just give 2019, comma, then where you want average, just select it, give full range, bracket close, enter. So it is tallied. Even if it is mixed with multiple data, it calculates. In case of only 5 grams quantity average, we can able to generate average if. First give range. For grams you just give grams, freeze, then only 5 grams means just 5, put 5, then quantity, give full range, bracket close. We can able to check only after filtering the data. Average is 287. In this formula we can able to get more than, equal to, or less than. In case of grams more than 10, it means 20 grams. For that simply write average if, bracket open, grams range, freeze, comma, inverted commas, greater than 10, inverted commas, average, just select it, freeze, bracket, enter. 356.75. The main difference between average if and average ifs is In average if, first we give criteria range, then criteria, then lastly average range. Whereas in average ifs, first we give average range, then criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. We can give 17 ranges. Average ifs, first we are giving average range, freeze. Then after that criteria range 1, so year, freeze. We can give number 2019 or else we can give reference also, comma, then criteria 2, brand name, criteria range 2. Again, instead of text I just give reference here, enter. $130 to $50. Let's construct formula based on criteria with cell reference. Simply average if, bracket open, give range, freeze, comma, cell reference is J5, comma, then where you want average just select it, freeze, bracket close, enter. Just copy. The same way for category tea or coffee, average if, bracket open, start with category, freeze, comma, cell reference J9, comma, average point, quantity, freeze, enter. For multiple criterias we use average ifs, and steps should be start with average range. Then we have to give criteria range 1, criteria range 2. First we give, I just give average ifs, bracket open, then average is quantity, freeze, comma, then I start with year, freeze, comma, then I give cell reference J13, comma, then brand name, freeze, comma, cell reference K13, bracket close, enter. Average ifs, freeze, comma, then year, freeze, comma, cell reference, comma, brand name, comma, K17, comma, again category, comma, L17, comma, for grams, freeze, comma, M17, bracket close, enter. So we need to give everything, then only it will give result. The combination should be matched, otherwise it will not give result. For example, I just give brew instant, and if I give tea, it will not work. If I change it to coffee, then it will work. I hope that this video will help you to understand average if and average ifs. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.